Isn't sales the same as marketing? एक मार्केटियर भी तो अपना प्रोडक्ट सेल करने में हेल्प करता है. A salesperson also markets his product. Is business development different from marketing? क्या marketing, sales, advertising क्या ये सब सेम नहीं है? Wait, I'm Abhishek Jhingan. Let's get started. So one way to understand, marketing creates a pull for the brand. Sales ब्रांड को हल्का सा पुश करता है कस्टमर की तरफ. मतलब marketing creates demand. Sales helps in closing the revenue part of the entire deal. Marketing is more focused on creating awareness through advertising, building relationships. Sales is clearly now introduce you to my new course, Winning with Marketing. The link is in the description. This course shows a structured process to create marketing plans. It is based on how marketing is done in the real world. It is practical, easy to understand and to actually use. Let's get back to the discussion. Like we said, focused on fulfilling demand and executing the order. What are the similarities between both? Both marketing and sales का फोकस होता है कस्टमर. मार्केटिंग का थोड़ा ज्यादा बड़ा फोकस हो जाता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ कस्टमर, स्टेक होल्डर, थोड़ा लॉन्गर टर्म, बट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ सिमिलैरिटी. कस्टमर एंड बिजनेस इज सेम फॉर देम. सो वी कैन लुक एट इट इन अ वे दैट इफ इट्स अ बॉक्सिंग मैच, मार्केटिंग पूरा सेटअप करता है, पूरा प्लानिंग करता है, सेल्स वो पंच मारता है. सो बेसिकली मार्केटिंग लुक्स एट द मार्केट, कस्टमर्स, इनसाइट्स, makes a sustainable strategy, strong plans. Sales understands and imbibes those plans और use करता है वो प्लान को प्रोडक्ट को कस्टमर के पास पहुंचाने में, सेल्स एग्जीक्यूट करने में. नाउ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में, while it is all together, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में there's a slight difference. Marketing or the marketeer has a longer term objective. They have to look at a medium to long term equity of the brand. So they cannot take decisions which hurt the brand, which may be good for the short term but hurt the brand in the long term. Sales guys on the other hand, their responsibility, their accountability is totally on generating daily sales, monthly sales, and the entire business depends on that. So you can see there could be some friction. So while there could be differences, ultimately sales and marketing are vital cogs of the wheel. They are interdependent on each other. Sales knows it needs marketing and so does marketing know that sales is very important for the business. A good marketer understands the problem that a salesperson has. उस हिसाब से they make plans which are easily understood, which are also easy to implement. A good salesperson also realizes that the sales function is most important, but they respect the marketer. They know कि marketer के साथ tandem में उनकी strategy समझ के उसी को बढ़िया तरीके से एग्जीक्यूट करके दैट्स वेयर सक्सेस लाइज. सो व्हाट आर द लर्निंग्स फॉर यंग बिजनेस प्रोफेशनल्स इन सेल्स और मार्केटिंग या किसी और फंक्शन में भी? बोथ सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. शॉर्ट टर्म रेवेन्यू इज व्हाट अ बिजनेस डिपेंड्स ऑन. लॉन्ग टर्म इक्विटी बिल्डिंग भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो अ मार्केटिंग रोल और मार्केटिंग फंक्शन इफ यू टेक अप, it gives you an idea on how medium to long term equity is built, how you strategize for brands and business. That's very important if you want to get into a general management role or you want to understand a business holistically. Sales on the other hand is also very important for any business and you must understand how short term you have tactics, how you implement strategy to make the money to flow in. Sales also gives you a very good understanding of how the business runs operationally, how the cash flow moves. So both sales and marketing are very important. For youngsters who are relatively new, 2 to 5 years in the business cycle, I would suggest try and get some experience in both sales as well as marketing to be really effective to understand the entire business world well. So friends, you have seen what sales and marketing is all about. तो आपको क्या ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा है? Is it the strategy, the pull of marketing, or are you more attracted towards the push, the daily excitement of sales? Tell me, comment below.